Hey there, Nicki here. Over the last few months, I have been doing a bunch of different things, just looking for that creative energy and spark that I feel like has been missing. I don't know if you can relate or not. I thought maybe it's the podcast. I'm going to start talking about art again and everything that I love and that I'm passionate about. And it wasn't that. And then I thought I'm going to go on YouTube and start talking about art and sharing tutorials and different ways that you can be creative and feeling like maybe that will inspire my personal art practice too. And it wasn't that. And then I thought maybe it's a new course. I'm going to work on a new course, and I had all these great ideas. And again, it just wasn't that. And I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like there's so much noise out in the social world, whether it's social media, online. I have so many tabs saved and videos saved and things saved that I feel like I don't have time to do. And it's in the doing that I feel most fulfilled, happiest, grounded and relaxed, and inspired. And it's in the do that I actually feel like I do more. So I make more art, I explore more. And it's a process where it doesn't feel pressured. I don't feel forced to do it or feel like I need to show up in a certain way. I just do. And it's in that energy that I wanted to create something. And then it came to me. I discovered through my son, actually, I have to give him credit. I discovered Substack. And if you're not familiar with Substack, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It reminds me of when I first started Li-Fi Design over 12 years ago. So Substack to me feels a little bit slower, feels like my blogging days, feels like Instagram when it was more in the moment sharing and photo driven. It feels like there's a bit more soul and a bit more creative spirit and energy that I'm looking for. And then I thought, wouldn't it be great if I could share a little bit of everything, where I could share tutorials, but we make it more of a community, where we can share line drawings, but it's not in the form of a book, where we can inspire each other through different activities that we're working on. And within that process, really grow our artistic style, our creativity, our confidence, and even our voices as artists, and interact in a way where you're in control. So you're not forced to use an app. You're not feeling pressured like you have to show up. But every week or so, you get an email from me in your inbox sharing advice, process, tips, techniques, lives, and tutorials. And you don't even have to go to the app to interact. You can just be in the energy and in the space that I'm planning to be in. Interact with me directly, because this is where I'm going to be hanging out. Or you can visit the app and interact with the community and participate a little bit more. And it really just depends on where you're at in your art practice, how much time you have, and how much time you want to spend, and then be in the space that we're creating. So I'm calling it the Artist Lounge. And I hope that you come and hang out with me and check it out. I also have to share, it's not going to be free. I decided to make it a paid experience, and I'm doing that for a number of reasons. The time and energy that I put into creating content is really something that, if you know me and if you've been in my space, I over-deliver. And it's something I want to continue to do. It makes me happy. If I can support you on your art journey and help you with your skills and techniques and art practice, then I'm all here for it. I want you to participate and to do the work. I want you to be in the space, but I want you to do. So I want you to make the art and do all of those things. And I want you to show up when I do some lives so we can chat and hang out and paint together. And if you've painted with me live, thank you, because I feel like that time that we spend together is so blessed with creative energy and community and conversation that it fills me up. So thank you for showing up live if you do. But it's a space that I'm just going to be spending more time on. I have some beautiful courses to help you learn how to paint watercolor and to sketch and to work on your sketchbook practice and to paint landscapes and botanicals, all those things. But if you're looking for a little bit more now that you've got the good foundations, then this is the space that I want you to hang out in. We're going to be doing a ton of different types of art and doing things to help inspire your art practice and finding ways for you to make art without looking for a tutorial or for instructions. Just be in that flow and energy and have that knowledge and technique so that you can enjoy making more art. And have it be a space where it's a little bit slower. It's not high-paced, lots of, things to consume. It's just bite-sized pieces so that you can take back, and whatever doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it behind, but whatever does will inspire your personal art practice. So I know it's a long-winded explanation, but that's what this experience is going to be. I'm using Substack to deliver it, so you can subscribe, and I will have some free posts, but it really is an experience if you're looking to connect more and to try this new experience that I'm creating for you. And if not, that's okay. I'll still be showing up on Instagram and through our newsletters and things like that. But this space really is where I'm putting in most of my energy and time, and even my creative energy as well. So I'm excited to get going. We start June 1st. For the first month, we'll have a special price of $5 a month, so super affordable for you to give it a try. If you'd like to continue with us, I'm happy for it as we grow and add and just play and have some fun. So it's called the Artist Lounge. I will add the link below. We'll be talking a lot about it over the next few weeks. So come and check it out. Come and subscribe. See what we're doing, what we're creating, what we're building, and all of the art that we're planning on making, and the connections as well. And I hope you enjoy the space. Thanks for listening to the end. So hopefully I'll see you in the Artist Lounge. We kick off June 1st. And if not, I will see you at lifeidesign.com. Make sure you subscribe so that you get updates of all of these things that we're sharing and creating. Thanks, and I'll see you again.